Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about 3 words that will help you describe stuff like a trampoline and bouncy balls. And these 3 words are bouncy, bound and spring. These 3 words will all help improve your English level and your English speaking and writing on a day-to-day basis. So let's get into it. So the first word we're going to be talking about today is the word bounce. Now, bounce is a word for an up and down movement and is a verb. So bounce is what happens when something like a ball hits a surface and quickly goes back up. It's like a playful little jump. When you drop a ball and it bounces back up, this is because of its springiness. For example, trampolines have a lot of bounce and children have fun jumping on it. The verb bouncing can describe those children on that bouncy trampoline. Dance music can also make you want to bounce up and down. So bounce is the action of moving up and down. The second word we're going to be talking about today is the word bound. B-O-U-N-D. Bound also means to jump or leap with lots of energy. Imagine a happy dog in a park. When it's excited, it might bound around by jumping and leaping joyfully, like a kangaroo hopping. Superman can leap up tall buildings in a single bound.
You could bounce right off the roof.
Yes, I could.
But bound also has another meaning, as it is the past tense of the word to bind, which means to tie things together. For example, if you put a ribbon around a gift box, you're binding the ribbon to the box. The final word we're talking about today is the word spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Now, spring, you may know, is one of the seasons. So spring could be a season, but it can also mean when things suddenly jump up, or leap up, or bounce back up suddenly. Think about a jack-in-the-box. When you turn the handle, the toy suddenly pops back up. That's the spring making it jump up, or spring back up. Spring also is a noun. A spring is a coil or stretched rubber band. When you let go, it quickly jumps or springs back up. And so if you think of a recoiled little spring, if it springs back up, you know that it jumps or leaps suddenly back up. And so today we talked about 3 words: spring, bounce and bound. And hopefully this has helped you learn English and improve your English level. And if you did enjoy this video, we would love it if you could give us a like, hit subscribe, turn on notifications to see when we next upload, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Bye.